Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common confusion. What exactly is reimbursement and disbursement in the context of e-invoicing? Many people get stuck on these terms, but don't worry. We're here to simplify them with clear examples you can easily relate to. Let's start with reimbursement. In a reimbursement situation, the merchant first pays a third-party service provider on behalf of the customer. After making this payment, the merchant then recovers the cost by charging the customer for it. The third party issues an e-invoice to the merchant, which serves as proof of the expense. The merchant then includes this cost as part of the e-invoice issued to the customer. Imagine an event planner helping a client book a hotel for a product launch event. The hotel issues an e-invoice to the event planner. The event planner pays the hotel. Later, when invoicing the client, the event planner includes the hotel fee in their e-invoice to the client. The planner is reimbursed for the hotel cost they initially paid. The classification code for reimbursement is 027. Now, let's move on to disbursement. In a disbursement, the third party issues the e-invoice directly to the customer, but the merchant temporarily pays the amount on the customer's behalf. When the merchant invoices the customer, they do not include this amount in their e-invoice. They simply recover the exact amount paid on behalf by showing the invoice and receipt to the customer. Suppose the same event planner also orders flowers from a florist for the event. The florist issues the e-invoice directly to the customer. However, the event planner pays the florist first on behalf of the client. When billing the customer, the planner does not include the flower cost in their e-invoice. Instead, they show the receipts separately and recover the payment. The classification code for disbursement is 006. Have you ever wondered, can I issue an e-invoice for disbursements, especially when my client insists on getting one? Well, here's the answer. According to current guidelines, you're not allowed to issue an e-invoice for any payment made on behalf of a client. However, in certain situations where issuing an e-invoice is necessary, such as when a company secretary pays an annual return fee on behalf of a client, or a lawyer pays stamp duty on a client's behalf, you may consider an alternative treatment. When you make a payment on behalf of a client, record the amount in the account under the disbursement account in the balance sheet. Do not record it as an expense. When issuing the e-invoice, show the disbursed amount in a separate column labeled as disbursement. Apply classification code 006, disbursement, for this entry. This amount will not treat as revenue in the profit and loss doc. It will be posted to disbursement account in the balance sheet. Once the client reimburses the cost, update the payment received in your accounting system. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friend. Got any questions about e-invoicing? Drop us a message. CLPC Advisors, your trusted tax consultant.